Hello everyone, this is Brenniger. It's time for an unboxing. This box is from G&Z 15 Damson Lane, Valley Stream, New York. Thank you for purchasing my plants. Live plants are hard to ship. They can be damaged easily due to inadequate temperature and stress during shipping. If the plants are in bad condition, or if you think they don't match with the descriptions, examples shorter or smaller than described, or if you have any questions or concerns, please send me a message. I will respond within 24 hours to resolve the problem. Thanks. So yes, this appears to be what I ordered. 3 water Sprite, and they appear to be in fine condition, and they're pretty good size. So I am so far happy with my order. Here is the tank, now with water Sprite and some small water wisteria. I decided to cover the heater with a plastic decoration instead of driftwood because I'm expecting algae to cover everything, and it's much easier to clean a plastic decoration than driftwood. That's all I have for you today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon on the next one.